is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a stationary thunderstorm producing torrential rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain has fallen in the past 30 minutes. This storm will produce rainfall rates of 2 to 4 inches per hour for the next hour or so. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Lombard, Woodridge, Hinsdale, Burridge, Oakbrook, Westmont, Lisle, Darien, Warrenville, Willowbrook, and Clarendon Hills. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The severe thunderstorm warning for